Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shushmita, and in this video I'll create this makeup look right here which you can see, and I have used very minimum products, and also the products are bomb ass and they are so affordable, so definitely watch the whole video. And also, if you're seeing my face for the first time, please consider subscribing. I make videos related to makeup, fashion, skincare, and here and there blogs too. So yes, consider subscribing, and now let's get into the video.
Okay, so first product which I'm using is from Stay Quirky. It's their first base primer oil, and this oil makes my skin look so glowing and soft. Also, it minimizes my pores, and I just love how my skin feels after applying this. Next, I'm using Stay Quirky liquid foundation, and it has vitamin E. This foundation is very lightweight. It is little watery in formula, and it gives you very light coverage, you can say. And personally for me, it's the perfect foundation for a everyday wear, and it will give you a very glowing skin, and my face feels so light, and I was literally happy. You won't see any coverage, or you can't even say that I'm applying anything. It's perfect from my skin tone, and I just love how it feels. And next which I'm using is Stay Quirky Sexy Eyes 9 Pan Eyeshadow Palette. This palette has gorgeous colors, and the pigmentation of this palette is amazing. The colors are easy to blend. Even the darker shades are highly pigmented, and you will get a very little fallout. Even the yellow one, it's a little tricky to play with the yellow color, but this yellow one is highly pigmented, and it was so easy to pick the color. But I'll say that instead of rubbing your brush on the color, just tap your brush on the color, and you will get enough amount of product which you want to put on your eyes. And here I'm just blending my eyeshadow so that they look really blended and doesn't look like I have applied two eyeshadows and they are not properly blended and merged together. So I have just like roughly take my brush and went all over my uppercut crease just to make sure that everything looks seamless. And next I'm using Stay Quirky mini liquid lipstick, and I'm in the shade I Woke Up Like This. I'm using this lipstick as a blush, and now I'm just using the Stay Quirky compact. It has SPF 30 in it. I'm just going over on my nose because I felt that there was little too much of lipstick, and now I'm applying this gorgeous lip shade on my lips. I really like how it feels and how lightweight the formula of this lipstick is. And here I have
Okay, so
completed my
that's
look.
it for today, guys. I hope you have enjoyed watching the video, and do let me know in the comment box whether you like this look or not, and which products do you want to try. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Also, please share this video with your friends and family. It will help me a lot in growing. So thank you for that, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.